Hi everyone, welcome back to English with Ghofran. I am happy you are here today. This is an A1 English listening practice lesson. Please relax, listen carefully, and enjoy today's lesson. Today's topic is my weekend. The weekend is my favorite time of the week. For many people, the weekend is a time to relax, spend time with family, meet friends, and do things they enjoy. My weekend is usually simple, but I always try to make it enjoyable. My weekend starts on Saturday morning. On Saturday, I don't wake up very early. I like to sleep a little longer because I don't have to go to work or school. I usually wake up around 9 o'clock. When I wake up, I open the window and let some fresh air into my room. Then I make my bed and go to the bathroom. I wash my face and brush my teeth. After that, I get dressed and go to the kitchen. I am usually hungry in the morning, so I prepare a nice breakfast. I like having eggs, bread, cheese, and some vegetables. Sometimes I also have fruit. I make a cup of tea or coffee and sit at the table. I enjoy eating my breakfast slowly. During the week, my mornings can be busy, but on the weekend, I have more time. After breakfast, I clean my room. I put my clothes away, organize my desk, and open the windows. I like having a clean room because it makes me feel comfortable and relaxed. Then I usually help with some housework. I may clean the kitchen, wash the dishes, or do the laundry. Housework isn't always fun, but it is important. When everything is clean, I feel much better. In the afternoon, I sometimes go outside. If the weather is nice, I like going for a walk. I may walk in a park or around my neighborhood. I enjoy looking at the trees and flowers. Sometimes I listen to music while I walk. Walking helps me relax and gives me more energy. Sometimes I go shopping on Saturday. I usually make a shopping list before I leave home. I buy food, drinks, and things that I need for the week. I don't like shopping without a list because I sometimes forget important things. After shopping, I come back home and put everything away. In the evening, I like to have a quiet time. Sometimes I watch a movie. Sometimes I watch TV show or short video online. I also enjoy reading. I may read a few pages of a book before I go to bed. Sometimes I practice English too. I listen to an easy English story or review some new words. I don't study for a long time. Even 15 or 20 minutes is enough. I believe that small steps can make a big difference. On Sunday, I usually have a slower morning. I wake up, have a breakfast, and enjoy a quiet cup of tea or coffee. Sunday feels peaceful because I know I still have one more day before the new week begins. Sometimes I visit my family on Sunday. We sit together, talk, and have lunch. I really enjoy spending time with my family. We talk about our week and share funny stories. Sometimes we watch television together after lunch. Other Sundays, I meet a friend. We may go to a coffee and have a drink. We talk about our lives, our plans, and our week. It's always nice to spend time with someone you like. If I stay at home, I may cook something special. I enjoy trying simple recipes. Sometimes I make pasta. Sometimes I prepare rice, vegetables, or a simple dessert. Cooking can be relaxing when I have enough time. In the afternoon, I usually think about the new week. I check my schedule and make a simple plan. I think about the things I need to do. I also prepare my clothes and organize my things. This helps me feel ready for Monday. Sunday evening is usually quiet. I take a shower, have dinner, and relax. Sometimes I listen to music. Sometimes I read a book. Before I go to bed, I think about my weekend. I feel happy because I had time to relax and do things that I enjoy. I also feel ready for a new week. I think weekends are very important. We all need time to rest. We need time away from work and school. We also need time to enjoy the people and activities that make us happy. You don't need to have an exciting weekend. A simple weekend can be wonderful. You can stay at home, read a book, watch a movie, go for a walk, or spend time with your family. The most important thing is to enjoy your time and take care of yourself. My weekend may be simple, but I love it. It gives me time to relax, learn, spend time with people I love, and prepare for the week ahead. Every weekend is a little different, and that makes it special. Thank you for listening today. I hope you enjoyed this English listening practice. Now, I have a question for you. What do you usually do on the weekend? Do you stay at home, go shopping, meet your friends, or spend time with your family? Write your answer in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to English with Ghofran, and join me for more easy English listening lessons. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye!